Hello everyone, welcome. Here's another video here on the Hacking Toshin Beyond channel. Let's make a video there for you about the OpCore simplifier of how to formalize a Wi-Fi in it. It's in developer mode. Okay guys, let's go to developer mode. I ended up moving a little bit here in the top tools here on the channel. To be exclusive to Windows, this procedure is exclusive to Windows, so I have already done 11 XZ of TOPS tools here. You come here in releasing the repository to this part here is for MacOApp. We have here the best translator, and we also have a PKG to be installed there on macOS from macOS. And here we have top tools, Windows EXZ, which is pretty interesting too. I ended up messing around, didn't I, in him here to download the source code of the hardware sniffer, because sometimes his OXZ gives a little problem accused of being a virus there. So I wanted to make this video for you in developer mode, which is also very interesting that you are formalizing your OEFI there. So it's worth checking out this video because everything that is done there in Windows and then you move to Mac OS will be better there, okay? It's so much reading, so the situation gets much better and it's worth you doing this developer mode. I'm going to teach you here is a simple thing. Just download here the TOPS tools, XZ Point for those who have it there. In Windows, I will open here. It's here in downloads. Let it go. Okay, I can even close it. 2 clicks here, but oh, it blocks it because it doesn't have Microsoft's signature, so it ends up blocking it. But here you can open normally. It's already open here. Let me see if I can grow him a little here so we can see better. Easy there. Just slow down a little because it was very beautiful, guys. Here is what I already have here for you. Clone the source code through GitHub. Then from the moment we open TOPS tools here, you will come here at the root of your HD, click on your user. Come here on desktop, it will formalize this folder here, top tools. I will leave the link there in the description of the video of my repository there for you. It is very interesting. Top tools. I have a lot of tools here. You can do Wi-Fi from scratch. This doesn't mean, guys, that you do Wi-Fi through OpCore. Simplify is an easy way to get into the world of macOS. But it doesn't justify you don't have the appropriate knowledge suitable for setting up your Wi-Fi IEFI. In this case, study a little there, the guide that is very worthwhile. There's a video here on the 4-hour channel for you to enjoy. So there's a lot of stuff, a lot of information, but it's a simplified way for you to enter macOS through OpenCore Supply's Wi-Fi, which is very interesting. I'll give it to you until you study. How is it formalized there and polished afterwards, right? It is very important that you also do the mapping there at the end. So I'm going to show you here, in option 22 to 2 NIF. Here is where GitHub is. It's the clone. Here is already normal OEXZ. I will download the clone here. I'm going to clone the repository here. Here is the source code of the hardware sniffer. And here, for example, if I also want to do via hardware sniffer, it's only option 21. Here I can get it too. Oh, it's already here. But that's not what we're going to do now. We're going to the source code. Let's also download Porpletry. Oops, I was in the wrong window here. PAMP-try is in the third option. It's already here too. Wonderful. Oops. Simplifier is the 20 downloading here. I think that's it, folks. If there's anything else, we'll come back here. Tools tops is very interesting. Top tools, I changed a lot there. It's really cool, guys. So from the moment we enter here in the root, we already have the programs downloaded here. So I'm going to enter here first in the source code of the hardware sniffer. We will come here on the upper belly, we will click, we will type cmd, we will open the command prompt, and here we will type Python 3, give a space, then press tab until you reach the Harley sniffer, this one. Oh, CLI Python point, give a space there, -- sport. This way I'm doing it. If it gives you the error message here, if you can't open it this way to dump JSON and the CPI folder, if this message appears here for you, it's missing a parameter, so we can open the pip parameter, so we can open it via Windows. Is very interesting, guys. You do it this way. This here is more for the developer there, a programmer who has more particularity with this, but also for the end user. So it's very interesting to do it this way, following the video here. So if I give you that information, you're going to type it in here. Let me remind you here. Here I've already written it down here. Python will type it the way it is here. Oh, you can even leave this code here in the description of the video. Then this syntax would be like this. Oh, Python 3 space -m. Pip space installs WMI space Python 3. Why not installed sometimes escapes normal. It's part, guys. I'm going to minimize this guy here. Python 3 now. Let's type here again. Python 3 gives a space, goes tab clicking until it finds the correct file, which is the CLI. Python dot gives a space there, -- sport. And now he's going to export it to us here. Oh, very simple. Then the folder will appear here. Oh. Sister report there. Have you downloaded ACPI dump? That's perfect. We did not need the exit point. In this case, it is a little better you doing this way in developer mode, because it is all within the black screen system, let's say within the prompt. Then the system will respond. You guys are much better there, right? In our case here, we will do fairer dumping, and your system has to be super updated with all the hardware updated. Okay, so here we have JSON, and the CPI has already downloaded in full. So I'm going to open it here directly because I already have XISL installed on mine. So it already opens here. here is Jason. I'm going to open him here by the Sublime. Is opening by the Sublime here. He makes a super fair DUP. Is very interesting. We do this way in the developer mode. Is very worthwhile. Oh, took up my thermal zone here. Oh, from the motherboard. It's very interesting. So let's go. Okay, we're here at, I'm even going to take 11xZ because not now, but OX also runs. Okay, guys, just click here. It will open the menu for us, but that's not the purpose of this video here. So we can close. We're here now. Let's open the OpCore Simplify by Python itself. You can also open it by bet. No, I'm not a problem. I'm going to give him a yes here to do all the updates he needs. Oh, here we will work only with the command prompt. In this case, it is the developer mode of OpenCOS PRI Fire. So let's see here in the first option, he will already ask Jason there for us. Let's go back here on GitHub in the source code in the CC report folder. Jason's here. Oh, just drag him here. Sometimes it's a problem when you're on the exe, right? So then since we are only working here with command prompt, so it is worth it. Hey, here just enter, it will read it. Oh, you will notice that it will be a little different than usual. It's because we're doing it in developer mode. You've already done all the reading here for us about my hardware, everything I have here. Compatible with Sequoia Aventura. Monterey, oh, my video card here, so hold there in the chairs. You have some cool tips about OpCore SpyFi here. Oh, here he's talking about airdrop, so let's give an enter. Here is my Fi. It will work. We will do the It is CFIA here based on Mac OS in the latest version on Mac OS Sequoia 15. So I'm going to type here 24, which is what I want. I'm going to give an IES here and I'm going to use OCLP. So it's the first option in this case, okay? But remembering that for those who are going to do the installation via recovery, it is important to always do via cable the Wi-Fi. Not always in this case that you will use OACLP. It is not worth you want to activate, it will not work. So it has to be via cable even now that he is asking for the CPI and the folder here. We did it there via prompt, just throw it here. Oh, it will make the correct reading that we are doing everything via command prompt. Here he asks me if I want to use the Note X or the reverse green. I'm going to use the green lapel because the Note X is still in adaptation, but it's a nice cast. It's worth testing, so I'm going to use reverse green here. The Mac OS version. Let me see the SPS. How is it here? What did he download there for us? Okay, it's a B to come back here. Let's see the quests. INF pass is here present. That I have already put there that I will use OACLP, so it has already indicated here for me CPU, topology, building is here, restrict events, NVM fix, XHC1 support. It is also here, but it is important you do the mapping. Do not forget that there is a lot of video on the channel. I will leave the link there for you too. It's super worth it. So here we have the family legacy. And the Skywalk is here, also the Apple LC, which is related to our audio. Here is Reveres Green, which is related to our GPU, video card, processor. They're all here. I'm just gonna come back here and I'm gonna give it a B. Cast SM BIOS for now. He will release there for us the iMac Pro 1.1. So, okay, I will formalize Wi-Fi here in option 6. Then if he won't ask me anything else. I'm right here. Oh, he's telling me about the video, not the video, sorry, audio, guys. So the default option is right here. This is my correct audio, but it will already do it there in the Wi-Fi playlist. So you can choose what is already stretched, no problem. It's option 3 there in default mode. So now he's gonna formalize the Wi-Fi here. I'm gonna close it. Can I give you a kit here? I'll pass it like this. Now I'm back here in the op core, simply in the resorts folder, EOA Rs and Phis here. Oh, now, when you have proper tree here, for example, for you all the time, not staying all the time is having to make this path here. So it's easier for you to do it this way. Let's open Wi-Fi again in the results folder. Let's go here in OCI. Let's open it here with the right button. Oh, here I already have the proper tree, but then in your case, oh, we'll only do this once too. Oh, if the proper tree does not appear here, you come choose the application on the PC. Let's go for a ride the first time too, no problem. You can come here, oh, desktop users, tools, tops, Purple Tree, and you can open it here now, direct, oh, always put it there and it will always open. This way here can minimize here, if you close it, it closes too, oh. Oh, now I'm gonna make 2 clicks here. It will open directly for me, okay? No problem staying. Sometimes we go around a lot, don't we? Close for a long time. So here is formalized Wi-Fi. Let me see what the audio is like. Oh, you got mine from Vice Properties here for audio. It would have to be 7, not 3. I don't know why he did it. Strange here. Oh, I'll edit, but it has to be 7 if not mine. My audio doesn't work. This is because I already know, guys, okay? But that's why I'm talking about the importance of you going to the guide to get to know it, right? The audio part is also important. Every key here is very important, is it? It's okay that the program delivers everything, right? So it's worth studying this Wi-Fi here to see what it's about, but no, the ball of you studying the guide is important. You know what you're doing, okay? because here everything is ready for people who already have knowledge, and even so we still have to do a lot of things here to make the Wi-Fi cool later. So this here is an entrance really. You can't like log into the system there. Oh, I'll keep this Wi-Fi. You can even stay. It'll work, cool everything. But if you want something bigger, then you will have to do the mapping right. You will have to configure some other key situations. So for that, you have to have knowledge. And we have basic Wi-Fi here on the channel for members too, so it's worth it for members. Let me see here. Okay. It should be 7. It was 3. I think I already know what happened in the option. I should have chosen 7 here now. I'm not going back there, guys. But yeah, I should have chosen 7. That's why it didn't mark it here for me. It marked 3. That's because I already know what my nomenclature is. Now I'm gonna take a look here in the part of, let me see if he added the Skywalk block is right. Isn't true. Apparently is okay Wi-Fi. Let me see here. Oh, NVRAM, or here the syntax of my video card, AGDP mode. Just like the Pike. It's right that we have one more syntax here, but the less VA we can take out later at the end. And here for sure he did it is AI Mac Pro 1.1. That's it. Now here it's super important, guys. You give a clean snapshot here in. In the system, it is even recommended there by the developer of OpenCore, SpyFi. A lot of people are formalizing Wi-Fi and end up not going up because the guy doesn't have a mother here to do that. A simple thing, I'll say it in the videos directly to you, come here on Fire, okay? Come here, clear snapshot, or you can already come here in Control-Shift-R. It will go right there. You can come here right in the folder. It will add everything, right? It's already recommended that you do this. Okay, it still collapses here and saves it. It comes here to fail again, saves all the work. Then just check here to see if everything is added. Everything is fine. I believe so, but as soon as the program is over, the Wi-Fi guys, you have to give the Cleese Pixote there, okay? For stamping. The Wi-Fi passport is recommended by OpCore's developer, CIPFI, so it's very worthwhile for you to do this. Sometimes the Wi-Fi doesn't go up because you didn't give 11 Cyclist Pixote here. The rest, I think that's it. Let me check it out here on MISC. Oh, everything is okay. Here is the base for me to go up there, okay? Vault has to be in optional security boot modem disabled, though that the end scam police has to be in 0 everything. But I know by reading the guide, okay? It's not hard to read the guide there. So, but for those who are doing it here, this here is developer mode. It's a little bit, it's deeper here inside the OpCore CP Fire, but it's also an easy way to do it. So here's okay. Can I close here? I'm going to pass on this Wi-Fi. Let me see if I don't have any here in the part. No, there isn't. I'll pass it over here. I'm going to take it off the table. Let me just leave a copy here just so it's not ready. Let me see. I think I need another one. Let me open another window here. Go back there. I'll open up here again. Then you open the XZ for the first time from the TOPS tools. He no longer asks me to download the OpenCore binaries of OpenCore 23. There is the binary option. He's gonna show up here for me. Oops, there was a connection error, but I think it downloaded, right? Let me see here again. Let me delete it. Downloaded the 23 binaries again here. Sometimes it gives you a little problem on GitHub. It's part there. Now, yes, it comes here in release. This here is the official binary, so you can come here on the link. Everything is fine. Then let's come here in utilities, MCK recovery. Let's open the ORL here. Wow, it's huge here. The business, let me diminish there, leave this guy here. Let me cancel. I had left it here, but oh, here I forgot to put 3, right? It's Python 3 minus mpip install WMI. So come on. Oh, we'll come here in the lastest in the latest. Oh, let's take here from point to 0 here. Final copy there. Control C. Let's come here in the binaries folder, the folder that is where we were. Let me come back here for you to see. Oh, I came here in utilities. Oh, I downloaded the binaries to the TOPS tools. I entered the OpenCore binaries release utilities and Mac recovery. Now I'm going to come here in the top bar. I'm going to type CMD. Hit enter and it will open another command prompt for us. Let's type there. Vito 13 gives a space. Paste this command that we copied here, O to 0. You can paste there. Control V to paste. Give a space here. Write download. In this way, to be downloading the recovery method for us, then it will appear here. I believe it will be quick. So here you have several versions, right? You have the since the Sonoma, Mount Ray, Big Sur, Catalina Mojave, Greg Sierra Sierra, El Capitan, and the Demeets, Mavericks, Mountain Lion Lion. Oh, nice nostalgia. Then I downloaded the latest version here. Let me see how it goes. It ended up as simple as that. Here it is. Now you're gonna put this guy over here. We can even leave now. Remembering that this source code of HardSniff will only be available Pro Tools TOPS XZ version of Windows Pro Mac OS. It doesn't make so much sense to have the source code, and it is already thought to do dumping there in Windows. So it doesn't make sense for us to keep version 11 of TOPS tools with the source code of hardware sniffer there. It's just worth it for Windows. I can leave here. I'm going to give 10 ready. Now I'm going to open another one, a window here. Your pen drive has to be in FAT32 formatted. Oh, this one here is an external HD I have. It is formatted in FAT32. I'm going to open it here. It already has Wi-Fi here, but I'm going to put this one here so we can test if it will upgrade the system. What will it be like? Oh, this recovery method here is downloaded directly from the Apple repository, so you just have to play it inside your USB drive. It's an external HD, it's everyone's free choice. Yes, you can. I'll replace it here. See how much it is. 843 MB. The other one was smaller, but just wait a little bit, guys. And that's right, we did it in developer mode. It was very interesting to do it that way. And then it will be a little bit, let's say, thicker, then it will be a little bit deeper. It's more being an ordinary Wi-Fi the way people are doing it. And here you can click the way I showed you there. Remembering that here you need to know, oh, that even there I ended up making a mistake at the time of the sound, the syntax that he took, correct? But my sound is not 3, it's the 7AA numbering because each codec has a numbering there in the guide. That's why I told you about the importance of the guide. Yeah, it's super important you understand, study the guide like here. It's not just get to opcore, simplify and formalize. You will also have to do 11 configuration in the BIOS first, right? And all this is in the guide too, knowing your processor generation, right? In my case here, I'm on the 13th, so I'm already out of the native generation of macOS, which is up to the 10th generation, but there we have it. Various types of settings in the open core guide, so it is very important that you are following the guide. It's like I said, there is a lot of video here on the channel talking about this, so I have a huge 4-hour video. I just separated it by topics there, so it's worth checking there. Once this is done, we put our AA and the PHY here on the USB drive. In track 32 can be a 4 GB pen drive. It's already a good size, and here the recover method. Now we will restart, see if it will go to the installation. If he goes to the installation there, fine, we finish there, and that's Wi-Fi completed. Okay guys, I'm going to restart here and I'll be right back with you there. Well, it takes a little while normal, but apparently everything is fine with the Wi-Fi. Then it went up here. I'll put Portuguese Brazil there, here. Most of you already know the procedure, right? How to do it. Then you will format the HD and everything will be ready. How come they come here? Oh, can you? So we have already made a red replacement. Just wait for the installation. Then it takes about 12 and 16 minutes more or less to install. Oh, I'm coming over here. Just there. How did you ever format a HD there? Oh, just keep going here for installation. Okay, guys, that's what I wanted to show you. Stay with God until the next video, and peace to all.